What's up, guys? I'm on my way to the Cboys headquarters, aka their awesome shop. I got done building that table, and now it's come to the time where we're going to deliver it to them.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's kind of an exciting one because I came up with this idea to gift the Cboys something for their new shop, and it's taken me a little longer to build it than I expected, but what I'm planning on doing here is using this reclaimed cedar to build a top for a rolling pipe shop desk. Basically, it's kind of a desk, it's kind of a working table, but I don't think it'll support a ton of weight, so it can't do everything a shop would typically do. But what I'm working on right now is putting in all the dowels so we can glue all these boards together. And I'm hoping these hold together nicely since they are reclaimed. They've seen a little bit of time and they're not rotted, but they're deteriorating in places, and that's what gives them kind of the aged look. So I'm hoping that all of this works out nicely. What you didn't see on camera is all these had like a rounded edge, but I sent them all through a table saw so that would clean it up nicely when I'm trying to join all the boards. So with that, I'm gonna just start putting some dowels in and using my jig to drill holes. So stay tuned. To join these boards, I'm just using a basic jig that I bought off of Amazon. It's got a couple holes and then a part that's plastic that allows you to line up the lines you mark for, making sure that your two holes for each pin actually will line up on each board. And so I bought 3/8 inch dowels, and I'm just planning on drilling these holes and then gluing the boards together. So I got all the boards joined together, and now I'm just clamping and gluing them. I don't have a ton of clamps, so I'm probably not doing this the best way possible, but it'll be good enough. When you're joining boards like these, they tend to want to create kind of like a half pipe, and so that's why I have weights on the sides to try and keep it level. So when I run my big long level across the top of this, it helps to keep it level. I guess when I'm checking to see if it's level, it looks to be level, so that's a success to me. Now I just have to let it dry, so then hopefully it'll basically stay in this shape, and then I'll probably put some metal supports on the bottom of it so that it won't go back or slowly warp over time. So, but it's coming together. So then I'll sand it all down on the top, and then hopefully it's going to look really nice. So, hey everybody, we're back. And I'm jumping forward a little bit from when you saw the boards just being lacquered. But we have finished coating the top. We stained it, we lacquered it. It's looking great. I sanded the underside of it some just because there was some parts where it was peeling a little bit. We've got it tipped upside down because I'm using it a bit as a work table. And you can see here I installed a little power strip that goes and fits through the board, kind of like how I did on my other desk build. And then I've got these here, these cross members to support the boards, just some extra structural element. And then if you look over here, we've got the pipe legs. Yep, this is the exciting part. So I'm just gonna quickly go through what is in every single spot. So right here, this is a 48-inch pipe. All the pipe is 3/4 inch diameter, I guess we would say. If you look a little closer, there's a T-bracket there connecting two legs. For any given leg, this is a 12-inch pipe. Right here is a 24-inch pipe. The very top is a flange to connect the piping to the desk. And then if we look down here, we've got another T. This is a 4-inch pipe, another flange, and then this wheel I found at Menards. I don't really know exactly what size it is. I want to say the wheel is a 3-inch wheel, maybe a 2-inch wheel. I don't know, but I picked this one because the 4-bolt pattern on it matched the flange best, and I don't think it's going to require a ton of weight. So that allowed me to put in these 1/4-inch long screws that are, they're 1 1/4 inch long, 1/4 inch in diameter, with some nylon lock nuts. So now these can all swivel and roll just like something rolling would do. And yeah, it should work out really great. So now basically the only thing left that I have to do is I need to put on these supports and then make sure I can screw everything together. So let's work on that and then see what the final product looks like. All right, so we've got the crossbars assembled and drilled down. And these screws I used, they just required some washers. You could use larger screws if you wanted, but I just used these small 1-inch screws since this isn't incredibly thick. And then I put 3 support bars across, and then I zip tied this cable across these 2 support bars, and then I just rolled this up because once this isn't so, I don't know, rigid from being brand new, it's gonna hang on this little hook here. So if you can imagine the table being set up, cables can hang from here. So if you want to hook this up to an extension cord or something and hang it there, you can. So now I just got to disassemble the table and then put it in the truck and deliver it. All right, so I just did a quick test fit of the legs and nothing seems to be imbalanced, and I tried to space the legs out as best as I could on the top. And so yeah, now I think it just might need a little bit of cleaning, and There's the, I'll step out of the light. There's that little power strip in the center. But otherwise, this thing is gonna be sweet. On one side, we've got 2 locking wheels, so that should hopefully help with spinning. And yeah, I still have to remove a couple wrappers and whatnot, but what we'll do is we're gonna mount the supports and then everything should be basically good to go. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. This is sweet.
What's up, guys? I'm on my way to the Cboys headquarters, aka their awesome shop. I got done building that table, and now it's come to the time where we're gonna deliver it to them. So I'm super excited to go and see their shop. I visited their old place, but I haven't been to their new place yet, so I'm super excited to see that. And I hope this I hope this table is a good addition to their shop, and it can help them be productive, make their content, mess around with all their toys, that sort of thing. So stay tuned, and hopefully I can update you guys as I'm there.
So my friend Zach Sanger hit us up, and he just was like, "Hey, can I swing by? I got a present for you guys." So I don't know. We have no idea what it is. I think it's some kind of custom-made thing. But anyways, here we go. The Raptor. Oh!
Oh!
Yes! Holy shit, dude!
Is it an editing table?
It's a little.
Oh shit!
What?
It's sick.
What else?
Oh my god! Dude,
This is the total vibe. I love this.
this is
Like
so
the-
sick, dude.
So nice, dude.
God damn it, dude.
Whoa!
So basically,
Functional!
Yeah, right?
Yeah, so it's like a portable, I don't know, you guys can
Yeah,
just use it for doing
definitely.
builds.
Dude, absolutely.
I put some protective coat on this, so hopefully it holds up. But yeah, I had some like reclaimed wood that I was like, I should redo.
No, this is so
It's
sick,
actually
dude.
so helpful.
Build you guys something. So
Yeah.
the bottom's out of pipe. I might need to tweak some things once we're in on level ground, because the wheels should be level, but hey, you never know.
yeah. So
So this is like your trial run, and hopefully next time we hire you to do something.
Yeah, that'd be sick. No, but the functionality should be great. I didn't know where you guys would use it, so I didn't get you guys an extension cord. But yeah, basically you still have to plug it in. It's not perfect wireless power. Haven't cracked that yet.
No, dude, this is awesome.
So good, dude.
we're gonna use this. Come on.
Dude, this is so nice.
I love that there's wheels on it. Like that's gonna be so like, and it's a good size like for like holding and shit too. You're not leaning over.
Right. Two of the wheels lock, so if you just want to leave it somewhere, you can. But I figured you guys have tons of bar stools already, so rather than build it like desk height, build it
So glad it's
build it standing height, and then if you want to use the bar stools around it, you can.
No, it's perfect, dude.
So yeah.
How long did it take you to build this?
The top took me a while because I had to do quite a bit of like sanding and cleanup because they're reused boards. They're not brand new boards, but I don't know. The pipe, I've built a couple different pipe tables before, so that was fairly straightforward. Honestly, it's a lot easier than maybe it looks. It's not too bad. So, but yeah, I knew that you guys would put the aesthetic of your place. Check out their video in the top right. And if you want to stay more up to date on when I'm exactly posting, go follow me on Instagram and you can see some cool pictures, as well as I'll announce on there when a new video goes live. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.